Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile 757, just giving a mechanic tip. If you are putting in oil in your car and it has a lot of miles on it, I can only advise you to keep an eye on that oil, because as the engine gets wore out, so does the piston rings and everything else, and then now you're burning oil internally inside, and sometimes it's going to be fatal and your engine is going to lock up or start messing up, and some cars don't tolerate barely any oil. Also, look around your car. If you see stuff like this, wetness all the way around in the area, that means you have a valve cover gasket leak. Customer car will not start. No oil whatsoever. And this is a hybrid. No oil whatsoever. I cannot emphasize, if you have lots of miles on your vehicle, to check your oil almost every week, because it could be catastrophic, because you could just forget about it, or if you just have a lot of miles, just start making that as a habit of somebody to check it for you, or you're going to be buying another engine, and sometimes the engines cost more than the vehicle itself. And this vehicle also overheated, missed and destroyed the battery, the hybrid battery, which is about $2,000 to $4,000. This is just a mechanic tip. I'm here to help you, give you guys information, and please like and hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.